Let me show you the timer and stopwatch on this G-Shock GD-B500 watch. So this watch actually has got proper stopwatch and timer, unlike other G-Shock watches. So we can go to our stopwatch here basically, and this is what it looks like. We can start with this button basically, and you can also pause with this button. If you want to reset it, you can press this upper button and you go to fresh start. Also, while the stopwatch is running, you can actually go to the other menus and the stopwatch will continue running in the background basically. So very cool actually. Also, while the stopwatch is running, you can press this upper button here and it will create a split lap basically. So let's see it again. So it will like do like lap split basically in this. Then also this watch has got stopwatch recordings as a next function. So you can see basically all your the stopwatch recordings you basically previously did. So you can cycle through them with this button basically. Okay, nice, let's check out the timer, and this has got proper timer, very simple and easy to set basically. If you want to set it, again press and hold this upper button till it beeps, and then you can adjust the minutes here basically with this button, and also go down with this button. So both of these work like on other G-Shock watches. Then you can also press this mode button to navigate to the seconds as well. Once done, click adjust, and with this button start it. Also you can pause it as well if you want it. And if you want to reset it, press this. Personally, I absolutely love this timer on this watch actually, because for example on the GD-200 and 300 they do not have such a normal simple timer like this. They do have some weird interval timers and they are absolute nightmare to use. This is far superior to those watches. By the way, if you're looking to pick up this watch, in the description I will leave a link where it's probably at the cheapest price you can purchase it. So if you want a good deal, make sure to check it out. See you!